Hello everyone. Now let's see how we will solve this type of question. The question is, if you see the question, three equations are given. First you need to solve that three equations and then you need to solve this fourth equation. Okay, and you have to find out x. So the question is, the first equation which is given to us is 10a upon 3 plus 2 cube equal to 28. So this is our first equation. Now second equation that is given to us is a plus root b equal to 4 cube minus 53. So this is our second equation. The third equation, third one is a root b into c minus 2c equal to 14 square. So these are the three equations which are given to us. And what we have to do, we have to solve for a b c. So we have to first solve for a b and c. So with the help of these three, first we will find out the value of a b and c. Then for x, then we have to find out the value of x. So again this equation is given to us, bc minus ax square equal to 151. So there are total 4 equations which are given to us. So the options are, so as we have to find out a, b, c, x, 4 variables. So these are the 4 options which are given to us. 25, 6, 8, 4, 6, 25, 7, minus 2 and 2, 4, 9, 36, minus 8 and 8, 8, 4, 6 and 25. So these are the options which are given to us. So let's see how we will solve this question. So moving ahead with the solution part. So let's solve it. So first of all, the first equation which is given to us is 10a upon 3 plus 2 cube equal to 28. So starting with this. Okay, so now the next step we will get is 10a upon 3 plus 2 cube will be 8 and this will be equal to 28. Now this 8 we will take that side. So this will be 28 minus 8. So we will get 10a equal to this 28 minus 8 will be 20 and this 3 I am shifting here and it will be moved there and we will multiply with this 20. So 20 into 3. So I hope you understood this step. Now this 10 I will shift in the denominator. So a will be equal to 20 into 3 upon 10. Now moving ahead with the calculation part. So 10 2 is 20. So 2 into 3 is left. So a equals to 6. So we got the value of first variable, that is a. So a equal to 6 we got. Now moving ahead with the second equation. Second equation is a plus root b equal to 4 cube minus 53. So what is 4 cube? 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 53. Now we have the value of a. So substituting the value of a. So 6 plus root b equal to 64 minus 53. Now this 6 I am shifting that side. So I will get root b equals to 64 minus 53 minus 6. Now this three numbers we will subtract. Okay, so 64 minus 53 minus 6. So if you subtract this, the answer will be 5. So square root of b equals to 5. Now to remove this square root, what we will do? We will square both the sides. So squaring both the sides, or when you shift this square root this side, it will become square of 5. So b will be equal to 5 square and that is 25. So we got the value of b, that is 25. So we got the value of variable b and that is 25. Now moving ahead with the third equation. So the third equation is a square root of b into c minus 2c equal to 14 square. So this is our third equation. Now if you see, we can take out c common because here also c is there, here also c is there. So I am taking out c common. So in bracket, what is left? A square root of b minus 2 equal to 14 square, and 14 square is 196. Okay, so here I am writing 196. Now we can substitute the value of a and b, both values we have. Okay, so a, Now here we have root b. So root b is 5 and b is 25. So here we will keep the value of root b, not b. Okay, so root b is 5, so here we will keep 5. Okay, minus 2 equal to 196. Also in place of a we can keep 6. So c into bracket 6 into 5 minus 2 equal to 196. So further if you solve this, okay, in place of a we are keeping 6, in place of root b we are keeping 5. So 6 5s are 30, 30 minus 2 will be 28. So c multiply by 28. So c into 28 equal to 196. Now this 28 is in multiplication, so we can shift here in the denominator and it will be shifted here and we will divide it. So 28 we will keep here. Okay, so 28. So 196 upon 28. If you do cancellations, okay, so 28 sevens are is 196. So after doing cancellations, we get 7. So 28 sevens is 196. So the value of variable c is 7. So we got the value of a, b and c. Now we are going to find out the value for x. So this is our equation. Now all these three value we will substitute here and we will get the value for variable x. So now taking this equation, BC minus AX square equal to 151. Okay. Now, substituting the values, we have all values of A, B and C now. So, BC. So, what is B? If you see B is 25. So, 25 multiplied by C. C is 7 minus AX square. What is A? A is 6. So, 6x square equal to 151. Now, 25 into 7 minus 6x square equal to 151. This equation we are getting. If you multiply 25 into 7, so 7 5s are 35. So 5 carry up 3. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. So 175. Okay, we are getting 175 minus 6x square equal to 151. Now 175 I am taking it that side, or you can shift this here. Okay, because we want to subtract this 175 and 151, so we have to keep like terms together. So 175 minus 151 equal to 6x square. So this negative 6x square I have shifted there, so it became positive, and this I have shifted here. So this was positive, so after shifting this became negative. So 175 minus 151 equal to 6x square. Now if you subtract this both 175 and 151, what will get? Let's see. 175 minus 151. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2, and here it becomes 1 minus 1 0. So 24. So we are getting 24 equal to 6x square. So we want to find the value of x. So this 6 we have to bring here in the denominator. So 24 upon 6 equal to x square. So 6 4 is 24. So sorry, here x square. Okay, x square is there. So x square is equal to 4. When you take this square this side, it will become root. So x will be equal to square root of 4, and square root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, whenever we have square root, we get two values, positive 2 and negative 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 2, or the value of x is equal to positive 2. So minus 2 and positive 2. So these are the values of x. So overall, if you see the solution set, A is 6, B is 25, C is 7, and talking about x, so x is 2 and minus 2. So 2 and minus 2. So this will be the complete solution set for this all variables. I hope you got this question. So if you check the options, there are 4 options, right? So in that 4 options, which one satisfies this 6, 25, 7, 2 and minus 2? If you see option B, 6, 25, 7, minus 2 and 2. So option B, this one is the correct solution for this type of question. So I hope you understood this question. If you like the content and this type of interesting question, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.